Okay, here is the basement. Just came down the steps. Alright, came down these steps. Here's your walls. They look pretty good, no problems there. No problems there, pretty smooth. Got a couple of peeling spots there. A little hole there. Some kind of stain there, looks like glue or something. 2 nails. Trim's a little nicked. Not the end of the world. Walls look good. Little nick down there. A couple of spots here. Doesn't look too bad. I don't know what happened there. Some kind of glue or something on this trim. Got a nail right there. Some scuff marks. Scuff mark there. No need to paint in here. This is the storage or utility room. Nothing, I don't see a need to paint in there. What else we got? Little scuff marks down here. This wall looks decent. Got some crumbling ceiling texture there. This corner needs a little caulking or something. This wall doesn't look too bad. Ceilings look good to me as far as the paint goes. Here's this little room over here. And on the light, see if it helps. Some scuff marks here. Some scuff marks there. This wall looks good. Not a big deal. Scuff marks here. Some scuff marks there on the trim. Somebody already played with some colors. You do have some peeling trim paint here. I think this is the only window that needs it. But, these walls look pretty good. I don't see problems here. Got a nail there. You got some, what that is, dirt or something. Along with that trim. Walls look good. Ceiling looks good. I don't see any problem with those ceilings. Let's go in. Here's the bathroom. It's got carpet in the bathroom. Not a good decision. Oops. Can you hear that? Sounds kind of sick. That is your fan. I'm sure somebody's going to complain about it. Well, kind of went away, but still. Looks like somebody might have patched. It's never got painted. No big deal. Some nail holes and little brackets up there. Not too bad. Looks like some patching happened here sometime. Got some wrinkling there. Alright, let's make our way upstairs. Next video. The stairway. This is the stairway going down to the basement. Ceilings look good. Only thing I see here is going to create some work is this little thing here. I think we can just dress it up a little bit. The rest of it looks good. No big deals here. No big deal. Little scuff mark there. Okay. Now we are inside the living room. Call it the fireplace, where the fireplace is at. No big deal. All this walls isn't getting painted. All these walls look okay. Got a little bit of a stress crack there. So this room, no big deal. Here's the kitchen. Turn on some lights. Walls don't look too bad. This cabinet already has a scuff mark on there. We don't want to get blamed for that. There are some paint drops here. I think somebody came in here and painted this cabinet part and maybe got paint down here on the floor. It's along the edge of the cabinet there. Just don't want to get blamed for that. Go back up here. Not too bad. Nothing there. Whoever painted here before got some paint, a little bit of paint on the cabinet. Okay. Got that. No big deal there. If you'll notice, there's paint, existing paint that they put on the trim work. We don't want to get blamed for that. Look, there is some paint that came over on the trim work. Not sure who painted it last. Not making any judgments. Just want to make sure we don't get blamed for it. There's some paint there or something. Let's see what's going on here. There's some paint there already. Whoever painted this last got some paint on the ceilings, but they're getting painted anyway, so not a big deal. This little piece here has to get fixed. Looks like it's peeling off. Okay, let's go. Here's the hallway. No big deal. Just a little bit of paint that came over. Walls look good. Ceilings are yellowing along the edges there. Get this bathroom. Which looks okay. Actually, I don't think I wrote this bathroom down on my list here. So I gotta do that. But no big deal here. Looks good. Okay, this is what is this? Oh, the dining room. Okay, dining room looks good. Or painted here before. Got a little bit of paint there. We can try to rub it off. A rag, and that's about all I could do. Walls look good. No big deal. Walls look good. If you look up there, you can see a little bit of paint on the trim. There's some paint right there on the trim already. Some paint on the trim right there. Just don't want to get blamed for it. We have here, looks like some kind of repair. It's kind of rough. Paint on the trim up there. Okay, let's get on over to the entry. Okay, entry looks good. Don't really see too many problems. Painted before, got a little bit of paint on the trim. Got some yellowing on the walls. Somebody patched up some nail holes kind of crappy. They didn't take out the molly bolts. They gotta take out the molly bolts. They didn't take out the molly bolts. They just painted right over them. Looks okay here. No big deal. I'm gonna call this one the TV room. It's yellow. Looks good. Don't really see any problems. You do have a stress crack right there. Otherwise, it all looks pretty good. Somebody tried to make a repair before. I don't know if you can see this, but it's not bad. Let's paint over that. This looks good. Alright, so let's go upstairs.